So that's it. For those of you that don't know, these two here have got this little tiny channel that they've been working on for the last 10 years now.
If not 15.
Yeah, sorry, no, that was us. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, you must be weird because pretty much everyone knows of 𝘽𝙀𝙀 GT now. They've joined us here at 𝙀𝙀 Performance. They're having some work done to the two cars, which we'll show you a little bit later on, but we just thought we'd take the opportunity for those of you strange 2,400 people that don't already know about these two. If you haven't already, then go and check out their channel because it's pretty awesome. Do you want to say anything?
He literally waffles more than you.
You've just gone off your phone. What are you talking about? We've only met and you're already on your phone. I think that's so rude.
When you come to edit this, there'll be loads and loads. You just got to chop it out and make it, that's all you got to do. We have to do
I have to be in this?
Yeah, you do.
I've not said anything yet.
Hello, guys.
He's not going to chop any of this, you know.
Oh, really? We'll show you how to do it.
Do you want to stand behind me because you're a bit taller, aren't you?
Well, I'm like 6'7".
What are you in the middle for? Because we're like the same height and you're in the middle.
Rows between two forms, isn't it? Right, so...
Tell you what, you stand there and then we'll duck down a bit and we're all on the same level.
Ignore him.
Do you know what?
He's just heightest.
There's always a prick and a bunch of roses, isn't there?
Well, that's it. What's the thing do I say about it?
I know, yeah. Right, so what we're saying anyway. Hello.
Well, we're just introducing you for those of you that didn't know.
Hello.
So we've come here this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. He's going to do us massive discounts. There's no invoice in it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Massive discount is 100% discount.
Yeah.
This day's gone really. It's just gone like this, hasn't it, all day?
Yeah.
I blame Mikey.
Yeah.
I've got to blame someone.
Someone else turned up before. I think there's been like 2 or 3 people who've just gone out. It's all free. So if you want any free gear,
did you hear him say it was
BD
free
Performance,
before?
He definitely said it was free, did he?
So we've got a witness.
So it's free. BD Performance free.
Get yourself down. That's it now. Your inbox is going to explode thanks to these two and Mikey, of course.
It's all gratis. So we're having what we're having. Have we explained what we're having done?
Do what you want.
Clutch on the RS4, clutch on the Focus RS, which Lee broke.
You broke that.
Definitely. Anyway, we bought some suspension off eBay for the RS4, so that's been done. And what else did we do for the RS4? Oh, downpipes. So there's Miltech downpipes coming for that. There's Mongoose downpipes on the Focus RS.
One.
Flywheel.
One. Yeah, sorry, it's 4-cylinder.
Flywheel's on that. Yeah.
Flywheel and clutch.
Yeah,
it's on. And what else is on that? Oh, and the intercooler, Edtech intercooler, there you go.
Yeah.
Which is definitely a freebie.
Yeah.
Because it was knackered. It's like something to pull out of the bin.
That's something you'd see poking out of the skip.
But free's free, so we can't complain.
Yeah,
it might have sounded like I was, but thanks anyway.
So yeah.
He's a big lad, you know.
That's it now.
Yeah. Well,
Lee, you're definitely going to have to chop this about, mate. A lot. So yeah, we just thought we'd take this opportunity to introduce them to the channel and hopefully follow in their big footsteps, really, to be quite honest, because you've just hit a massive
15k, yeah.
15,000, yeah, literally about 20 minutes ago. I'm happy with that, yeah. Although it probably doesn't translate all that well. We did all that celebrating just. Our bottle of champagne's down there, thanks to Darren. So yeah.
The only problem is we've had to celebrate in Wales. It's not the end of the world, but we need to go back to Warrington.
You know you're surrounded by Welsh people here.
These are Welsh, these?
Yeah.
All right, forget that.
So that's it. We're only like 12,500 subscribers behind him. That's like not that far, really, is it, boys?
No.
It's full of Scousers here, and it's full of Scousers where we are.
That's true.
Yeah, exactly.
Loads of them, yeah.
Cut that out if you want. But I'm from Manchester.
Yeah, that's why he doesn't like Scousers.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. But I'm sure these two will abuse me a bit later on. They've been abusing me most of like the last 2 days, in fairness. It's a nice, refreshing change because Lee didn't say that.
Well, that's our way of saying thanks.
Oh,
thanks with a bit of abuse.
Yeah.
It's only verbal abuse anyway.
Yeah, if you haven't already, then please do check out Cold Candy. Oh, no, it's not. What is it again?
The Candy Cellar.
Oh, the Candy Cellar on Instagram. They've been eating that all day. I haven't eaten any, contrary to the looks on camera, of course, but you know.
That's £10.
What?
Camera.
Does it?
Yeah.
20.
Together with some
It's not helping me, right? 20 pounds on his channel. He doesn't care.
Are you on about me, are you?
Mikey.
At least you can tell us what you've done to it under the bonnet.
Well, it's probably quicker to say what you've not done to it, to be honest.
Actually, yeah. Come on, I haven't.
There we go. Directing the attention away from the outside. But,
So go on, 300 PS standard. What's it running now?
Well, I last got it dying out. It was just under 400 brake and 600 newton meters of torque, so it's not far off that now. But it's company broke, so.
I was going to say there's quite a lot of oil and
just
stuff down there. And
don't look at that. So yeah, it currently needs an engine rebuild, so that's why it's here today. Darren's going to give me a fully forged engine rebuild for free.
Nice.
Is that nice?
You know anyone coming here? You
Look
don't
at him
have to
shaking
pay.
his head there. Whoa.
You don't have to pay for anything here.
I know, it's good.
all-
Yeah, that's why I love coming here. Every time I come here, I get a load of free
Oh,
stuff.
well,
so.
I'm glad you come now, mate.
Yeah.
Like, this wasn't how we agreed. They were going to roast you, not you trying to force me hand, mate.
No, we got most of the outside.
Yeah.
So what's the engine on like? 70k is it gone at?
73,000 now, yeah.
That's not done too bad, has it?
No, it's
To get to
alright.
that stage.
It's just the big flames and that come out the back of it. That's why it's broke.
Alright, so it doesn't flame anymore.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Well, go on then, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the flames.
Oh, yeah, I've got to see
It's got
it.
anti-lag, so.
Not seen some flames in Wrexham.
Well, I mean, I wouldn't stand that close if I was you.
This way where our ears go.
And that's why it's broke.
Why are these cars getting more louder as we go? It's
Shoes
ridiculous.
getting older. Your ears are on the way
I don't know
out.
where he's left.
Just a quick disclaimer, that wasn't our map.
Oh, okay.
Just to let you know.
Yeah. It's funny that, isn't it? How it's gone wrong, he doesn't want to know about
No,
it.
exactly, mate.
But, so come on, out between 1 to 10 on exterior looks. What are we saying?
What, one being the best or the worst? Or
Worst.
what? One.
Really?
It's not my cup of tea, but
Yeah.
So he's got a big
I'm,
thing about RS cars just being left alone and,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
not. He's I don't know, like wheels and fast forwards.
I bought this
Got a great
when it
thing
came out. I got a 59 plate brand new, and it was
Yeah.
the same. This is Lux Pack 2, right?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
And it had loads of electrical faults, so I'll give it back to Ford. But I just thought they looked good, standard.
Yeah, that's what my dad said. He had to go at me when I started modifying it. Like,
Yeah.
he's like, you should just
can
leave it
imagine.
alone, don't touch it, because he's a massive forward head himself. Like, so.
Yeah.
But you've gone I don't think you can do anything else to it, can you? Really?
Well, it started with the induction, and then I thought, oh, intercooler, and then piping, and then I thought, I'll put a few stickers on it, and then I seen bonnet vents, and yeah.
Well, if you're getting it all done for free, why
I know,
not?
that's what I mean.
Yeah,
It's out of
that's
Darren's
true, yeah.
bank account, so it's, I just thought I'd just go mad with it.
Yeah.
It's amazing how his business still functions after giving all this away for free.
There's no invoicing system here, is there? See you later, mate. See you later.
Help. Someone help. This is meant to be about roasting you, Mikey. Give him 10 things you like about your car. You can't do that anytime, can you?
I found a bit on it that I like.
Oh, go on.
Towing strap.
Oh, really?
I like that.
Well, you'd need that anyway, without you drive.
Mikey, just a question. Do you go to the same place for hydrogen as the Eagle TT lads?
That's actually my rapid skills. It looked alright when I first did it, and then obviously heat. Whatnot.
Mikey loves getting roasted.
Well, that's getting ripped.
We found someone as bad at rapping as us.
Yeah, we had a go at that.
There's one way to fix it, just close the bonnet and then we can see it. I want to pull on that too hard, I don't
No,
know.
it's alright, it's fine. Yeah, well, when I put those vents in, I cut the thing out so I couldn't actually hold it up, so I did have a piece of wood in it for ages, but I thought it doesn't look very good, so I put them in instead.
Did you have a blindfold on when you cut these out?
Well, I didn't know what I was doing, I just gave it a go.
Tell you what though, Matt, the rear diffuser,
I do like the diffuser, yeah.
that's massive, that, isn't it?
Yeah, that's new, that. I've only put that on recently.
And then the slogan that's just above it is probably the best bit about it.
I don't know, it's controversial, but I'm thinking about getting the big spoiler. I know a lot of people don't like them, but it's to go with like the rally theme, but I'm still hit and miss on that yet. So I don't know yet.
A big spoiler, bigger than that?
Bigger than that, a big one, yeah. It's a WRC
Are they the ones
style.
that do that? Oh, I've seen them.
Yeah, the WRC ones, but
Your top speed will be about 100 mile an hour with the drag.
yeah. But it's for show, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Can't go more than 77 anyway, can you?
I just wanted it as Asbo as I could get it.
I mean, you've absolutely smashed that, mate.
There was the line.
Yeah.
There was the line for Aspo, and he like literally took a running jump over it, didn't he?
Yeah.
And then that one we went in the other day, that you were driving,
Yeah.
and that one, even that was just all over the road, that.
Yeah. Fun though.
Is that
Very
70
fun, yeah.
horsepower thing?
No, not that one. We went to that diner day the other day, and Mikey came with us, and we were in the orange one, so that was just the 570 or 560 or whatever it was.
Just, yeah.
Yeah, just. It's quite a lot of
I'll
fun.
see.
Apparently Lee said there was some flames that came out the back of it, and they were literally as high as the spoiler. So we'll have to take you for a spin on that later.
I'm fine, thanks. I'm absolutely fine.
That wasn't an invite.
I'll stick to me
That
Audis.
wasn't an
I'll
invite.
stick to me nice, safe Audis.
You
I'm
either get
fine.
invoiced, the full amount, or you go out in it.
You're paying, so I'm fine. Yeah,
I mean, is the door handles on it to grab hold of?
Yeah, there's pussy handles at the top.
I need them. Yeah, I'm not going in it.
Come on, we just shrink wrap him? Wow, have we got, how long's this video going to be?
Right. You've done that before, haven't you?
I know, yeah. It's not as big though, this.
No chance. I used to sell new cars for a living. You know, you purposely blank that shit out. Can't see what you're on about, Mr. Customer.